Hello everyone, my name is Nur Natasha Amira binti Mohd Zainal, and I'm currently doing a degree in Actuarial Science in UiTM Shah. Today, I will teach you on how to calculate the cost of each year of the pension benefit using one of the individual cost method, which is traditional unit credit method. Traditional unit credit actuarial value or TUC actuarial value is the value at the valuation date of the pension benefit accrued from the date of entry into plan to the date of valuation. It is also called as unit credit cost method or accrued benefit cost method. There is no salary scale assumption made for salaries in all future years in this TUC method. Actuarial liability at age X is the value of the pension benefits earned from entry age to current age. To calculate this, we are using the formula ALX is equal to BX times with DR upper tau over DX upper tau times with the annuity value A double dot R upper 12, where DR upper tau over DX upper tau is computed from service table. Total actuarial liability is equal to the summation of ALX. The normal cost at the beginning of each year is the cost of the pension benefit that is earned in that year. It is given by NCX is equal to small bx times with dr upper tau over dx upper tau times with the annuity value A double dot R upper 12. We can also calculate the normal cost at age X using this formula. NCX is equal to small bx times with the discount value of TPX times with the annuity value A double dot R upper 12. For example, it is given that the retirement benefit is $30 per month for each year of service. The entry age is 35, current age 45, retirement age 65, with the value of D35, 45 and D65 is 8, 4 and 1 respectively, and the annuity value A double dot 65 upper 12 is 10. To calculate the total pension benefits at the retirement age, which is base 65, is equal to $30 times 12 months times 30 years and equal to $10,800. Meanwhile, the total pension benefit at current age B45 is equal to $30 times 12 months times 10 years of services is equal to $3,600. The normal cost at entry age NC35 is equal to $30 times 12 months times the annuity value of 10 times with D65 over D35. That equal to $450. Meanwhile, to calculate the normal cost at current age, NC45 is equal to $30 times 12 months times with annuity value of 10 times with D65 over D45, and that equals to $900. Comparing both NC35 and NC45, it shows that the normal cost increases as age increases. AL45 is equal to benefit earned at age 45, which is $3,600 times with the annuity value 10 and times with D65 over D45, which is 1 over 4, and that is equal to 9,000.